Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti and I'm a professional makeup artist. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and enjoy this tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to use a beauty blender for your makeup. Before getting started, I would like to tell you that this is a non-sponsored video and all the products I'm using are from my own pocket. This video is for those who are literally fighting to get a nice and flawless foundation application. So this is a very informative video to know whether you are using your blender correctly or not. So let's get started. Take your beauty blender and instead of using it under tap water, fill tap water in a bowl. This way you will save water. Dip your beauty blender inside the bowl and wait for 1 minute. Take it out and squeeze the excess water. If it is necessary, you can again dip it inside the water, squeeze it dry, and if necessary, you can also wrap in a tissue and squeeze it again. Now, how will you judge that this blender is ready to use? So first, make sure that the beauty blender is neither too dry and nor too wet. After you squeeze excess water from blender, it will change the shape and it will literally bounce on your face during application. So I hope you like this information. Keep subscribing to know more about makeup.